wonder like whose hand they had to use to know how big they gotta make them. Or is that just the you problem? You know? I cannot touch anything. How did people dig in? This is Where's my other one? Put things on. Can't touch your phone. Thank you. Is it spicy? Because you said medium and I was like, I'm scared that it's too hot.
That one I gave you.
I know, but I'm trying to feel you a shrimp and it's hot. I'm gonna be here a while. Nah, it should cool down soon. I don't even know what this tastes like yet. I have not put anything in my mouth.
Really good.
Really? On the other half? On the other half?
I think it's cooled down now. Orange comes up.
Oh yeah. Used to putting the dirty stuff on the table.
Gotta say, bug. Delicious. Like these ones fell out. Oh, these ones are good. Try this one.
No. So good, you're not even talking. I'm not gonna eat the potato.
The what?
The potato. Oh no. Rocky and I fell into your habits. You want another shirt? I felt the oil dripping down my skin. The crab is good. Did I get the wrong crab?
Which one did you get?
King.
Yeah, this is good.
Is that what you wanted?
I thought you got prawns. You got both?
Did you not hear me?
Oh, so you got the king crab with the prawn. Oh,
Yeah, this is polite. I think we were the last one. And what time did we get here? 8:40?
it's a bomb. It's already fresh.
All these clowns are empty.
I think they fell out.
Oh shit, yeah they did.
Bottom line.
What?
Bottom line. Traffic's slowly getting.
At least did it get your eye, right? Did it get your eye? Two more clams. Oh my god. What? Good. This was good damage. Considering that we had a snack earlier at 5. I hope this bag wasn't in the way, but the spice is lingering though.
I could have gone higher. But then again, that probably wasn't too much.
I love that they have a thing. Yeah, I said I love that they have this. Thank you. Okay, that was all. Mine.